Okay, final. December the 31st. This kit is called New Start. It's got to be on it. It's tomorrow. New Start kit. What have we got here? Well, it's got to be on it. Beautiful piece of onyx. Great start. Always, always a great start. If you want a new start, a beautiful piece of onyx. Black onyx. There you go. That's the first thing you'll get in your kit. The value of that is going to be around 80 to 120. Okay. Energizing. Perfect start. Energizing. You'd use that oil best places like all around here, up here, back here. Just energize yourself. Breathe in often, 3 times a day if possible. The next oil is purifying oil. Cleanse that all over your body, back, knees, just purify yourself. Chest as well, you know, purification, you're clearing. Bit on the top of your head there, back of the neck. Breathe in often. Breathe in this oil. Fantastic. At least twice a day. And final oil, which one of my favorite is the sacred oil. Sacred oil is absolutely incredible. So the sacred oil should be used where you feel best. So for me, if I'm using the sacred oil, I'll be kind of looking at my body and feeling it and saying, where is the heaviness? What do I want to lighten of my body? Is there any pain or suffering anywhere? Is it in my mind? I drop it in my mind. Have I got bad legs? I drop it in my legs. Is it in my chest? Is it in my back? So use the oil as a real healing oil, and it will heal the negative energy as well. So again, twice a day, once in the morning, once at night. If you're struggling a little bit, 3 times a day, midday as well. And then both aura sprays, keep them with you everywhere you go. Either one, the strongest one really, I would say, is clear attachments. That's sage, and you just spray yourself between 3 and 6 times, any time through the day. Cleansing negative energy is just to keep the stuff away, just to keep negative energy away from you and within you. Spray that through the day as well. And yeah, a new start. I think that's lovely. So the total price for that is 231. I'll do that at 150. Only 3-4 kits available. Enjoy. One link below.